All-in-one kit gel nail polish starter kit with everything you need. 8 spring-summer colors gel polish, no wipe base and top coat, 48W UV light and all manicure tools. Smart nail lamp 54W nail lamp with 18 PCs LED lights, lower heat mode, 3 timer setting, 30s 60s 99s, with LCD screen, smart sensor, hand-in light on, hand-out light off. 8 colors gel polish made from natural resin, wears like gel, good tenacity. Environment-friendly products with healthy ingredients, low smell, non-toxic. Save your money, enjoy nail salon at home with your family. Nail polish full kit for beginners, nice packaging, also an amazing gift for your friends. 7x24 customer service. Please feel free to contact us if there are any problems. 7x24 hours customer service, guarantee 30 days return or refund. Top reviews from the United States. Very light colors. This product works great. The polish stays on the nail great, and when it starts to peel it peels off easily. Polish applied correctly stays on the nail great for at least a week or even 2 weeks. Be very careful to only get polish on the nail and not on your skin, or it will start to peel the next day. My mistake, not the fault of the product.